I'm Warren Gawiran, Section OL, CA 333 M026, Subject CLJ4. Today, I'm going to recite the following. Number 1. What is complaint? Complaint defined as a sworn written statement charging a person with an offense subscribed by the offended party, any peace officer or public officer with the charge of the law violated. Number 2. Who are person qualified to file complaint? Letter A, offended party. Letter B, any peace officer. And letter C, other public officer charged with the enforcement of the law violated. Number 3, what is venue? Venue is a geographical division on which an action brought to trial for criminal action or proceeding. Venue is a territorial unit where the power of the court is to be exercised. Number 4. What is venue in general and what are the exceptions? A criminal case should be instituted or tried on a place where the offense was committed. Letter A. The Supreme Court may order a change of venue or place of trial to avoid the miscarriage of justice. Letter B. When when law provides otherwise liable violation of election law. And letter C. Cases under the Rules of Court Rule 110. B. When an offense committed in a train or aircraft or other public or private vehicle in the course of its trip, the criminal action shall be instituted or tried in the court of any municipality or territory, while the train, aircraft, or other vehicle during during its trip, including the place of its departure and arrival. Letter C. When an offense commit in aboard a vessel in the in aboard a vessel in its voyage, the criminal actions shall be instituted or tried in the court of the first port entry or any municipality or territory while vessel the vessel passed during its voyage, generally accepted the principles of international law. Letter D. Crime commit outside Philippines but punished under Article 2 of the Revised Penal Code shall be cognizable by the court. The criminal action is first called. Number 1. Should should commit an offense while on Philippine ship or airship. Number 2. Should forge or counterfeit any coin or currency. Note note in this note in the Philippine island issued by the government of Philippine Island. Number 3. Should be should liable should be liable connected to the institution should be liable in the institution and to Philippine institution and this island and obligations and or obligations and securities mentioned mentioned in the preceding number. Number 4, while being public officer or employees should commit an offense should commit an offense and exercise their functions should and then functions and should commit any crime against territorial security and the law of the nations defined the title on title 1 of book 2 of this code. Letter E, in cases of piracy, the crime of piracy is committed not against any any against any against of state but against mankind. Hence may be the same, may be punished by any competent tribunal or any court in the country where the offended may be found.